Namaskar. Namaskar. I'm so happy to see you dancing with such smiling faces. So I see that you're enjoying the lessons. Let us now relax and sit down for a while. We will revise some of the technical terms that we learned in the last lesson. We learned hand movements yesterday. Now, what are hand movements called in Kathak?
Hasta Sanchalan.
Good, Hasta Sanchalan. And could you name and also show me, I mean, you can sit and show the various Hasta Sanchalans that we had learned?
Yes.
Okay,
Urdhva Hasta Chakra.
good,
Madhya Hasta Chakra.
good,
Tala Hasta Chakra.
very good. Now we had learned how to rotate our hands in the opposite direction, starting from below and gradually going upwards. Can you show the movements while sitting down? Good. And there was also a movement which resembled a flower. What was that called?
Pushpak.
Yes, pushpak. Can you show that to me? Good. And there was one more thing that you learned?
Chakra.
Yes, chakkar. But I know that it's not possible to sit and rotate. So I'm really very, very happy. And we will go on to the next set of hand movements. These are the Kon Suchitas. Kon Suchita literally means indicating or pointing to a corner. Kon is a corner and Suchita is indicating. In the previous lesson, we had learnt Urdhva Hasta Chakra, Madhya Hasta Chakra and Tala Hasta Chakra. Now, for Kon Suchita, we also have Urdhva Kon Suchita, Madhya Kon Suchita and Tala Kon Suchita. So we are pointing to the direction, the corner above, to the side and to the corner below. And again to the left. We will do each movement separately. Again we start at Utpatti. Then we raise the right hand from the wrist sideways upwards. Then we open it with a jerk at 2. For entire 2 it stays here. Then in 3 you pull it back and 4 you return to position. The same with the left, moving upwards and outwards, open, pull back, return. So can we do this in Trital in the 3 different tempos? Start. 1, Now you must notice that in the Tha laya, we are taking a lot of time in 1, and then in 2, we are remaining there for the entire 2. Now, since this is the most important movement, as we go into a faster tempo, like 1 is not that important. So, I mean, like even before the count of 2 comes, we are there. And we are there for a little time more so that this movement is established. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, like in 1, you don't have to go gradually, but 2, you have to establish. So 2 and 4 become very important as the speed goes higher up. Then again, as in the case of the Urdhva Chakra, and more so in Kon Suchita, you have to look in the direction of the hand. I'm not looking at the hand, but in the direction. As if I'm pointing to some object over there. I'm looking at that object and pointing with my hand. But I'm sure you have done all these very well. So let's do the next set, which is the Madhya Kon Suchita. Using our wrist, we gradually throw our hand outwards. Then the palm is facing upwards. Then again we pull it back. Still the palm is facing upwards. And we come back. Again the same with the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your body must be stretched with the tilt slightly to the back. 1. Good. The Tala Kon Suchita, where your hand is pointing to the downward corner. So 1, again with the wrist. In 2, you open the hand, palm facing upwards, pointing to the corner, body tilted to the back. 3, you're pulling it back, and you return to position. So should we do it in Trital in the 3 different tempos? Start. So you have learnt 3 Kon Suchitas, and you can do it in 3 tempos. So can we do a continuous series in single, double and quadruple speeds? Fine. Start. Remember, the neck has to go up. But you have to remember 1 or 2 points. First is, when you're looking in this direction, your chin has to be a little raised so that your face is looking upwards. Think of the beautiful moon as if you're looking at the moon and you're pointing to the moon. And immediately that beauty will radiate from your face. Then again, sometimes when you look, I mean, after your hand is there, then only is your look complete. It's more or less at the same time, but you can't look before you have pointed. So it's 1, 2. Sometimes there's a general mistake that people make, is that the face turns before and you look before you are pointing. So you have to be careful about this. Then for the Talakon Suchita, you have to stretch your body to the back to make this movement look beautiful. And again, the 3 points, up, side, and below, have to be clear. Sometimes, maybe when you're tired, your hand tends to go down a little. Like, this is not the point, this is the point, 45 degrees angle. Okay? So you have to remember these, because sometimes while practicing for a long time, your body starts relaxing, and so you forget these points. But I'm really happy with your progress, and we will now go on to a movement which is a little more complicated. It's not difficult, slightly more complicated. This movement involves the 3 Kon Suchitas and also Pushpak. Again, up to now you had been using the flat foot. Now we will be extending our feet and again crossing our legs. So when we are pointing to the corner, our foot is also pointing to the same corner. Then again, when we come back, our legs are crossed with the foot resting on the toe. If this is my front, I am pointing to the back upward corner. When I'm returning, I'm looking in the opposite direction, but more or less to the side, not upwards. In side back corner, returning, looking at the same position as I was previously. Again, pointing to the lower back corner, returning to this position. Then for Pushpak, I look in front. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. You will notice that when we are doing Pushpak, we are using the flat feet. And this is also in a faster beat, double the speed. So we will do the entire set of movements, and we will do it in single and double tempo. Because this is a faster movement, we won't do it at quadruple. So 1 avartan in Thalaya and 1 avartan in Dunlaya. But obviously, in Dunlaya, it will be twice as many. Start. Good. And we will now go on to Chakkar. You have learnt it, but we will learn one more. Previously, you had learnt Chakkar with your arms extended. You were throwing your hands outwards and pulling it back. Now, we will keep it at Utpatti position. This will make a faster movement. So it will be 1, 2. Okay? So in the Trital, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Okay, so let's do it in Chogun speed because you know the rest. Just in the last part, you have to remember to take 2 chakkars instead of 1. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. You have learnt the basics of Kathak. Padhant, Tatkar, Hasta Chakras, Kon Suchitas and Chakkars. We will revise the entire sequence in the concluding part. I will request you to first do Padhant in the 3 different tempos, Tha, Dun and Chaugun. Start. Tha.
Din, din, da, da, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, din, 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 da, da, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, na, din, din, da, ti, ti, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, na, din, din, da, ti, ti, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, na, din, din, da, ti, ti, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, na, din, din, da, ti, ti, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, na, din, din, da, ti, ti, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, da, din, din, da, na, din, din, da, ti, ti, din, din, da, da.
Good. So, Padhant is very clear and it is absolutely correct. But I am noticing that there is no smile on your faces, but you are a little tense. Anyway, now we'll come back to the smile too. And we will do Tatkar or footwork in the 3 tempos. Start. Good. And I also liked the smiles on your faces because, as we say, that if you are not enjoying the dance, how do you expect the audience to enjoy the dance? We will now do the Hasta Chakras again in the 3 tempos, then the continuous movement in the opposite direction. Start. Now we will do the Kon Suchitas. The 3 Kon Suchitas in the 3 different tempos, and then the combination movement of the Kon Suchitas and Pushpak in 2 tempos, as it is a faster movement. Start. Look in front. All look in front. Or you have to look directly in front. Good. Now what we will do is that we will revise the chakkars. Instead of going through the entire series, because actually the series leads to the final one. So we will do 1, 2, 3 for Pushpak, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2. Okay? So yes, 1 avartan and in Chaugun speed. Okay? Start. I'm really happy with what you have learned and the way you are performing it, remembering all the various movements of the feet, the hands, the eyes, and also the different tempos. But don't forget to practice at home. I want you to be ready for the next lesson when you are here again.